Australia is the most fire-prone country in the world. The most common cause of these bushfires is people, whether accidentally or deliberately. As global temperatures continue to rise, the risk of these fires also increases. The unprecedented 2019 to 2020 Black Summer bushfire season in New South Wales resulted in devastating bushfires of unusual intensity, destroying nearly 2,500 homes, burning 5.5 million hectares of land, and claiming 26 human lives. As part of the New South Wales Bushfire Cleanup Programme, RSK Businesses EDP and SJA consulted on the removal of asbestos and other hazardous materials. By the end of the project, 3,500 homes and buildings were cleaned up, with approximately 1,200 of these surveyed by EDP. Bushfires are an essential part of the ecosystem, but it's time to raise awareness and educate on preventative measures and emergency procedures to keep people safe. Raise your voice, share your knowledge, and protect our communities from the devastating impact of bushfires.